For vice organizers, sa lahat po ng accreditation, may fee po yan na binabayaran. Mas mataas po pag regular and premium. Ayan, may sticker fee din po tayo binabayaran for the sticker. Pero as of now po, libre rin po yan. Hindi po namin pinapabayad yan ngayon. Then other fees, ayan. Ngayon din po, wala rin po ito. Na-waive po ito as of now. So I hope po that ma-encourage po kayo na mag-apply na agad-agad para hindi pa po binabalik po yung mga binabayaran nating fees sa accreditation. And then validity of accreditation, na-mention ko na po ito kanina, for basic, 1 year. Because this is just the minimum requirements po yung pino-comply natin. Regular, 2 years. Premium accreditation, 3 years. Yan po yung pinakamahaba kasi pinaka-mataas na standards and pinakamaraming requirements po yung sinasabit natin for premium. Ito, so this part po siguro yung pinaka-interesting na part po sa atin. So ano bang makukuha ko pag magpa-accredit ako sa DOT? What's in it for me or for my business? So meron po tayo mga benefits na na-identify pag nagpapa-accredit po tayo sa Department of Tourism. So first po, syempre, is yung ating Tourism Quality Seal. So that means you have complied with RA 9593. You have tourism competitiveness, seal of good housekeeping, and non-fiscal incentives. Later on, makikita nyo po yan. And I would just like to share na ngayon po kasi mas matatalino na po yung ating mga tourists o yung ating mga guests. So before po sila mag-book, chine-check po nila, isang tinitignan nila is kung DOT accredited ba yung accommodation natin. And personally, meron po akong sinagot na tawag before, and tinanong niya po kung DOT accredited po ba itong accommodation na ito, itong transient house na ito. Kasi magbubuksan na siya online. So nakita po niya through Facebook yung accommodation na yun and tumawag po muna siya sa DOT to confirm kung accredited po siya namin. So yun po yung, I think yun po yung pinaka-importante talaga and number one benefit po of being DOT accredited is we can ensure po na na-advertise po tayo sa ating mga guests and visitors and they can be sure po na legit or hindi po scam yung mga businesses natin. So we also have the certificates and stickers. Ito po yung binibigay namin sa mga na-accredit po natin na tourism enterprise. Pag nakapasa po sila, ibibigay po namin yung ating certificate and stickers for you to display them po sa inyong mga tourism enterprise para makita po ng ating mga guests na DOT accredited po yung business po natin. We have plaque also sa mga premium accredited enterprises. Next. Then we also have endorsement to other government or agencies. So, pwede pong i-endorse ng DOT, yung kung meron po kayong mga project na gagawin, we can endorse them to appropriate government agencies such as the Board of Investment or TIEZA for availment of incentives such as reduction in applicable real estate or income taxes, tax and duty-free importation of capital goods and equipment, waivers of fees and charges. Then we also have training opportunities. So pag nagpapatrain po si DOT, syempre priority po na tinatawag namin or ini-invite po namin ay yung mga accredited tourism enterprises po natin. We also have endorsement to LTFRB for exemption from regular franchising process for accredited tourism accommodation establishments to use a maximum of 2 shuttle service vehicles dedicated for free use of house guests and customers under certain terms and conditions. So, malaki po yung matitipid po natin pag na-endorse po tayo sa LTFRB and we will be exempted po from the franchising fee. And then airport access for accommodation establishments and travel and tour agencies, endorsement to international and domestic airports for issuance of access pass to qualified personnel to meet and assist departing guests subject to approval of airport management. Di ba po kasi sa airport may mga restricted area, pero pag accredited po tayo and na-endorse po tayo ng DOT, we can, pwede po, possible po na makakuha po tayo ng exemption and we can be able to access po yung mga restricted areas po natin sa ating airports. Ayan. We also have a liquor ban exemption. Alam naman po natin na when election period, meron po tayong liquor ban, so bawal po tayong mag-serve ng alak for a certain period during the elections. Pero pag DOT accredited po tayo, pwede po tayong i-endorse ng DOT sa COMELEC para ma-exempt po tayo sa liquor ban during election periods. However, applicable lang po kasi yung exemption to foreign tourists. Ayan. So January pa lang, pag-accredited po kayo ng DOT, gumagawa na po ang DOT card ng certification. So nililista po nila lahat ng accredited tourism enterprises and sinasubmit po ito ng DOT sa COMELEC para po ma-exempt po kayo sa liquor ban. Of course, we also have referrals or endorsement to embassies and travel trade associations for utilization of establishment facilities and services. So kung may mga foreign organizations na nag-inquire po sa DOT kung saan nila pwedeng i-conduct yung mga activities nila or events nila, syempre ang i-recommend or isasuggest po ng DOT ay yung mga DOT accredited enterprises. And then international and national marketing initiatives. Membership with the marketing arm of the Department of Tourism, Tourism Promotion Boards for participation in its marketing and promotional programs such as sales missions, business matching sessions, and travel trade fairs and exhibitions abroad, subject to certain terms and conditions. So kung may mga ina-attendan po ang DOT na mga national and international conventions, exhibitions, mga conferences, and may i-invite po kami na sumama na mag-display or mag-exhibit po during the convention or exhibition, ang isasama po ng DOT ay yung mga DOT accredited enterprise. And hindi lang po yan yung mga benefits natin because DOT is currently updating po yung mga incentives po natin na ma-receive if we will be accredited. So, hoping po na very soon, madagdagan pa po yung mga incentives po na ma-receive po ng ating mga accredited tourism enterprise. So yeah, with that, I hope po that you were able to gain a better appreciation and understanding po of DOT accreditation. And sa mga accredited na po dito, I hope na you will maintain po yung inyong accreditation and be mindful po sa ating renewal period para makapag-submit po tayo on time ng ating mga renewal applications. And sa mga hindi pa po accredited dito, na nandito po ngayon, I hope na na-encourage po kayo and mag-apply po kayo for DOT accreditation. So yan po yung Facebook and email po ng ating accreditation team. If you have inquiries or concerns, you can email po yung ating email or you can message po yung ating Facebook page. And as I mentioned po, please like and follow po yung Facebook page po ng Department of Tourism CARD para updated po tayo sa mga announcement and events po ng DOT.